Okay guys, this is not Roblox, I know, but it's Undertale. This game was so popular 2015. Yes, but I still love it. And if you don't know what Undertale is, just search up on Google. I'm not going to tell you. Or YouTube is better. And this is my favorite character. His name is Papyrus. He's so funny. I love him. You can search him up on the internet too. You can search everything on the internet. And that's what it sounds. That's tutorial. Goat mom. I'm not going to tell you more. And Undyne is like this evil fish. Yeah. Oh God. God, this is Undyne's music. God, it's high. Okay, that's a 9. Oh yeah, and this is a fight. She's going to kill me. I know it. She's going to kill me. Wait, so what? Why does she attack? So just try to spare her. Come on, Undyne. I'm gonna troll her. Oh God, it's so high. Seriously, I'm gonna cry. It's so high. Oh my. Fuck, that's high. Okay, I'm gonna still troll her. Because it's funny. But no, you don't, Undyne. Because I don't want to die. I'm gonna eat an ice cream. Like, this is so easy. Oh God. How can I be bad at this? I don't know. And I'm actually talking. Yes, I can talk. I'm a human. I'm a human being. As in this game too. Wait, so she gets easier if you troll her first? I think so, and that's a lot better for me because I tried this and I died so many times. Like, seriously. Mercy, how? Of course I will spare you, Undyne. I love Undyne, even if she's not my favorite character at all. My favorite character is Papyrus, that I showed you. God. Seriously. I'm still going to spare you, Undyne. And I'm like, why are you trying to kill me? Oh God, I knew it. I knew I was going to die. Shut up, Asgore! You're going to be alright. Swirl, stay determined. Shut up, Asgore! I'm going back. See ya, Undyne. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video. Okay, never mind, guys. You apparently can't go back. You need to fight Undyne. Yay! I'm gonna cut this again. Well, see ya in Undyne's fight. Oh my God, TEMMIE killed me! I hate TEMMIEs! Okay, I'm back again. I just have to save now. I seriously hate that TEMMIE. And if you don't know what a TEMMIE is, search that up on Google too. I'm not gonna tell you. Hey, Undyne. Wanna kill me, right? Yes, I'm gonna challenge you. Oh no. Why did I do that? No. Her attacks got faster. Okay, I'm not gonna. Oh wait, she's pretty strong, but I'm not gonna. First off, kill her because I'm sparing everybody here. I mean, I'm from Sweden. Sorry. Never mind. I don't remember. I'm very bad. And now sunlight is out. Undyne! Why is she so hard? Oh my god. How am I so good at this? Like, seriously. Oh, thank God. How am I so good at this? Like, seriously. I really want to fight, but nothing happened. Like, seriously. I've died so many times. This is like the best that ever happened to me. Oh no, oh no, 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 I hate this one. She just kills me. I want to be friends, you remember someone. Her attacks become a little less extreme. Good. Oh no. I have to take an ice cream. Oh my god, how am I so bad at this? Oh my god, my lamp fell. God. God, Undyne, please stop. Oh no. Why is this so hard? Okay, I get it. She's a boss, but well, humans are made out of flesh. Okay, Undyne? I'm just going to plead. Oh god, no, no, Undyne, Undyne, I just want to be a friend. I will never fight you, Undyne. Oh no, not these gel ones. I hate these yellow ones. You gotta do this stream. How am I so good at this? Like, seriously, how? I'm determined to. No, you're not, Undyne. Not as determined as I am. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna take an ice cream. Come on. I just want to end this fight to my fucking... I'm sorry for swearing, but I do that. I'm sorry. Undyne, Undyne, I hate you, Undyne. Gonna take more, gonna take bandage. Ew, a gooey bandage, that's ugly. No, ugly, I mean disgusting. Ew, Undyne, you're disgusting. I'm gonna have to eat a cinnamon bunny. Ha ha. Wait, I think... Die already, you little brat. No, going to die, Undyne. I don't have any more stuff. Okay, I don't have any more stuff. I'm totally going to die. Yep, knew it. Okay, well, that was me trying to beat Undyne. Thank you guys for watching, and Asgore, shut the fuck up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, listen to Undyne's music ever again. I'll probably do more videos of this. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you want to, you can comment. I don't really care, but I reply to most of you. Yeah, thank you. So yeah.